Homework. I know it says we got 16 views so far. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Shout out to 2025 season coming up. We got an event Saturday. I might stop at, go by. Depends on what's happening. Might break some bread. You never know. Might find some flour I like. It might have that name that say lemon something. Hell, I'm looking. I always like a lemon strain. Hell, keep something fruity around. As far as the smoke. You did. We don't do that Diddy party shit over here though. But you know how it goes. 2025. You do what you do, and then I'll judge you anyways. I'm a good judge of character. I gotta judge things all the time. Let's see. Short video doing this thing. It probably came out at 7:10. I got videos going when I got lives going, but hell, shit happens. But let me stop this Rumble video, cut them off, because I'm going to take y'all to go see the green room. That's the good thing about being on the phone. Y'all get to run around and work with me. Let's see, we're going to start off with tent one. One lady in here, but it's already showing its signs of flowers. So I've been getting it back healthy because it was low on CalMag of all things. But it's looking back healthy. But it'll be doing some better in a couple of days. I'll give y'all an update on that one of these days. Just not tonight. Not tonight. Tonight. Let me make sure my light's still on because it lights off early. Uh, but it come on at like 4 or 5 in the morning, which is early. One of these days I'll get it back set to the right times. But for now it still works, so it still gets its full shift. Welcome back to the Green Room, Team DWSC. That's what we got for y'all today. Y'all know we did that resetting the pots videos. So we did a ball washing video live on the cultivation channel. Yeah, I'm gonna start going live over there too. Hell, give my haters even something more to hate about. Like, man, first he was stealing everybody content, then he went back to making his own content in his fucking green room on the business channel. Hell, how the fuck we gonna keep up with popcorn? Good luck. Hell, I'm making it challenging for you. You dig? Look at this mug over here trying to get super thick in the background. Trying to get super thick on me. Yeah, go ahead, get super thick for your boy. You see what I'm saying? Get all them biscuits and gravy in there. We know what to do with the cushion for the pushing. Hell, we gonna keep them plenties wet. And given that I know that their mom is in their flower tent, I'm gonna just go ahead and show them some love because I know I can keep that little runt as a run, and then I'll have two more runs coming up after that. So when mom gets done, I'll have these two little guys over here ready to go. But here in about another couple of weeks, we'll have these slim thickies over here ready to go. Let's see, I'll probably put them in flower. I put those in flower about 2 weeks ago. Was that 2 weeks? Yeah, because it's actually showing flowering sites now. So it was about 2 weeks ago. So hell, it'll be another 2 weeks before I'm thinking about doing something anyway. So we'll just let them go ahead get on in there and get it. They look nice and green though. Y'all see the color to them? That military fucking federal level CalMag. Nah, it's that military grade CalMag, motherfucker. Say it right if you're gonna say it. Shout out to the dragon fruit. Y'all see them things is growing. I'm gonna have to get some of these transplanted so I can sell some of them. Yeah, in case I go somewhere and try to get me some money. Like, yeah, these dragon fruits, bruh. Yeah, dragon fruits from seed. Yeah. We already done pre-started them for you. So the only thing you gotta do is brace them up and keep them, keep it popping. Hell, they already going for you. Me some strawberries. I'm gonna have to get in there and clean some of that up. Some of them leaves at the bottom, because this mug likes to be watered daily, so you got to stay on top of it. Keep them panties wet, as we say. But that's the green room. What we had going on in tent one. Of course, y'all know tent two got the buckets that we